Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Emma. This is the second video on common pronunciation mistakes, and you'll learn how to pronounce all of the words correctly. If you find the video useful, then please hit like, and why not subscribe to the channel? It's free. Let's get started. So the first word is island. Notice that the S is silent. So it's not Iceland or Island, but island. Next, castle, another silent letter. So the T is silent. Castle. Mountain. People often say mountain, but the ending is pronounced tin. Mountain. Interested. Notice that there are only 3 syllables, so it's not interested, but interested. And interesting, again, 3 syllables. So both of these words are adjectives, but what's the difference? Well, looking at the 2 words, we've got the ed ending and the ing ending. In the picture, we can say, she's interested in the book because the book is interesting. A couple of things worth noticing here. So the ed adjective interested is used to describe how the woman is feeling. So we use that for feelings. And it's followed by in. I'm interested in science, for example. And then the ing form, interesting, is used to talk about the reason for the feeling. The book is interesting, or the film is interesting. Scissors, more silent letters, silent C. Scissors. Receipt. So we don't pronounce the P. Receipt. Recipe. So we don't say recipe, but recipe. So the woman is reading a recipe book, and it's a recipe for roasted root vegetables, I think. Bus. So don't say bus, say bus. But this word, it's not busness, but business. The businessman is reading the business section of the newspaper. Business. And busy. So busy is an adjective that we can use to describe people and places. So we can say the coffee shop is very busy, meaning there are a lot of people there, and the people who work in the coffee shop are very busy because they have to serve a lot of customers. Finally, queue. Now this can be a verb and a noun. So the people are queuing and join the queue. Thank you for watching, guys. If you did find that useful, then please hit like and subscribe to the channel. And why not check out my other videos on pronunciation mistakes? You can find the links in the description below. Bye for now.